rain sensor. Oops. Alright, so this has little discs in here, and you can adjust it however you want. So I'm gonna take the little discs out because they are old, and I have new discs I'm going to put in so you can see what these discs look like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down, I'm going to measure it because I have new discs to replace it with. And what this does is when it gets wet, it's going to press down inside and turn off. There's a little thing that clicks it and it'll turn it off. That'll turn off the sprinkler system. So, you know, it's ingenious, but, you know, kind of is. Turn this here and turn this over. Switch it over to the side here. So this has been here for some time. Okay, so whenever it rains, it will go in here and activate. So we have this type of system. This is the new discs. You can tell this has been here for a long time. See that? Old and new. So these things have been flattened to the point of no moss. So I'm going to try and adjust it by using the new discs. I'll try and see what adds up to what, and once these discs get wet, the system shuts off. I didn't know that I would need this many discs, but look at that. This is about here. So let's see. Put this away. These were at the top. I think they just put these in to kind of help it along. I'm not sure if it really needs those, but use it for the top. So this will start from here. Let's see, so this comes up to here, so right there. So I'll take this off. I'll take this off. And the rest should be about even. See, these are all swollen and hard already, so I'm already assuming that when this swells up, it's going to surpass what it needs to. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what I might do is I take these down. I'm going to wet one and see if it expands and how much it expands. So I'll take it to the kitchen and test it out. Let me know your thoughts, prayers, etc. We'll go from there. So let me go test it out with some water, and I'm going to test one disc, see how it expands, contracts, and go from there. Put this back, and then you can adjust it. I'll bring something that I can use to maybe clean this and around the outside. It's not as rough. It's been here a long time. But at the end of the day, you don't want this moving at all. So this is where you can adjust it. I'll clean that and look at that. It should be fine up here. And let's see. I'll be back. Okay, so right now I'm working on the 3 discs. This is the original one that was in the system that turns off the sprinkler system when it rains. This is supposed to swell up. So you can see the difference between these two here. This is what it looks like dry, but I think this is what it's supposed to look like when it's swollen. These two are dry, so I'm going to put this in water. I'm going to put that in water and see. Does this swell up anymore? And does this swell up? And this is the dry one. So let's see if it swells up at all. Usually when it rains, it takes some time for it to swell and dry. I didn't measure it, so it won't be as precise, but I assume if it rains continuously to the point where it will swell up and then it will expand and turn off the system by activating the switch because of the pressure. When it swells, it cuts it off. So okay, let's see. I think this is swelling. Oh, look at that. It's starting to swell compared to that one. It is swelling. I hope you can see that. You can see the difference there. So let me put it in more. This one, actually, yeah, actually did swell some. It did swell a lot more. Oh, wow. I don't know if this is going to continue to swell like that. So I'll use a combination of. But that's why there's less of these in there, and these are already these are not swollen. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to soak them and then dry them before I put them in there, as opposed to just putting them in there new from out the pack. I'm just winging it, so to speak. If you know, please leave a comment or suggestion in the comment section. Check out my other videos of me trying different household things, working on cars. Okay, so yes. This is swelling. See, it's getting bigger and bigger. And this one's gotten bigger as well, so you can tell. This is it dry, this is it swollen, this is the max swell, and it even swelled up some more. So it does work. Interesting. Okay. So now I gotta try and find the sweet spot so it doesn't totally cut off the well, I mean, it's supposed to totally cut off the sprinkler system, but, you know, not for days on end. So this is it. All right, and it looks like it's still swelling some more. So dry. This is the new. This is the old. The old one is definitely swollen. So I'll use some of the old ones in conjunction with the new ones, and hopefully it shouldn't have a problem. Stay tuned as I put it back together. Alright, so I'm back. I'm going to put it back together and see how it works. Whoops. Alright, scraping this thing up. Gonna have to repaint. So I'll put this thing back together. And the rain sensor should be working properly. I'm not sure if I'm going to test it out today, but like I said, I used some of the new ones. And then this is a new one with some water on it. I didn't let it fully expand. I have this, and then I'll throw these on top. So I should push that down. There we go. So now I'm going to set it to where, let me see, I cleaned it up. So it has a, what is it, 1/8, 1/2, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. So I'm going to put it to 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of water to keep it, let's see, put down a little bit, and I'll see how far it is from the top. I think it was down more before. Let me see where it's at. So it's up there. So that means if I put this up, it doesn't need much. So I'm going to go down some. Put it in the middle there. Let's see. I got to make sure that this goes in the middle. I don't think that was, oh shit. I don't think that's what was happening. Somewhere. So let's see. I'm gonna see if I can get this to stay in the middle. Anything in my pocket? Yes, I got a knife. Here we go. A little trusty hobby knife. Put this in the middle, just like that. Let's get it in there. Hold on, there we go. So that's gonna be 1/2. Perfect. So once that swells up, that's perfect, 1/2. Once that swells up, we'll push it down and activate it. So that's 1/2. Ice cream truck. Summertime fun. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at 1/2. I can hear the click to turn it on and off, so that should be perfect. All right, 1/2. 1/2 is good. Okay, now can I reach up here and grab that? Let's see. So that's set. Pray for me. All right. Oh, I got it. Okay, so that's good. So it rains. I don't know if I should have brought some a screwdriver. Let's see if I could use this. Tighten it up. There we go. Do the back end so I don't dull the blade, even though I got a blade sharpener. There we go. Tighten it up a little bit. Alright, so there guys, yep, that's good. Tightens up a little, or a lot. Keep it grounded. Let's see this one. So make sure you I'm hearing that you're supposed to change these every so supposedly every year. That's good. This is straight up now. Perfect. This hasn't been changed since we purchased the home. I think I've adjusted it somewhat, but as far as changing them, no. So this is the first time. So I can't wait to see it work. This is perfect. Make sure again, hear and feel the click. Yep. Hopefully you guys hear it. It's right there at the half inch, so that should be perfect. Like and subscribe.